Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for class 3 Science Olympiad, and in class 3 Science Olympiad which chapter we are going to read? We are going to continue the chapter that is birds. Okay, so we have already discussed many questions of this chapter in our first and second session, and in today's session we are going to discuss some more questions of this chapter. Okay, so for the previous sessions you can check the playlist. So are you all ready for it? Yes. So let's get started. Our first question, consider the following statements and choose the correct option. Option A, statement A, eagles attack and eat small animals. Statement B, a woodpecker has two toes in front and two toes at the back. Okay. Option A, statement A is correct and B is wrong. Option B, statement B is correct and A is wrong. Option C, both the statements are correct. D, both the statements are wrong. So we have to choose the correct option. So eagles attack and eat small animals. Yes, it is correct. Then a woodpecker has two toes in front and two toes at the back. It is also correct. So here the correct answer is option C. Both the statements are correct. Got it? Coming to the next question. Fill in the blank with an example. Climbing bird, woodpecker, praying bird, hawk, wading bird, question mark. Option A, crane. B, duck. C, eagle. D, parrot. So, woodpecker is an example of a climbing bird. Hawk is an example of a praying bird. So, which of the following is example of a wading bird? Yes. So, it is the duck. Option B, that is the duck. Got it? Coming to the next question. Choose the correct option. All birds have same beaks. 2. Beaks are multifunctional. 3. Feathers are not essential for flying. D. Feathers also help birds in maintaining their body temperature. Option A, TTFF. Option B, FTFT. C, TFTF. D, FFTT. So we have to find the we have to choose the correct option of the following. Okay. So here the first, all birds have same beaks. No, it is not correct. Then beaks are multifunctional. Yes, it is also correct. They use beak for different functions. Then feathers are not essential for flying. It is not correct. It is essential for flying. Feathers also help birds in maintaining their body temperature. So this one is correct. So here it is F, T, F, T. Okay. So where it is present? Yes, it is present in option B. So option B is the correct answer. Coming to the next question. Which kind of birds walk and run on the ground? Option A, wading birds. B, swimming birds. C, perching birds. D, scratching birds. So we have to find out which kinds of bird walk and run on the ground. So the birds that walk and run on the ground, we call them as scratching birds. Okay. So here the correct answer is option D, that is the scratching birds. Coming to the next question, match the following and choose the correct option. So list 1 is there, list 2 is there. We have to find the correct option. So parrot, it eats fruit. Then eagle, it eats flesh. Sparrow eats nuts and grain. Then the duck, it eats tiny water animals. Then woodpecker, it eats insects. So for dog, it is okay. So here A3, B4, C2, D5, E1. So here it is present in option B. So option B is the correct answer. Coming to the next question, choose the correct option. The hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. B, parrots are the longest living birds. C, an ostrich's eye is not bigger than its brain. D, a woodpecker can peck 50 times a second. So options are A, T, F, T, F, B, F, T, F, T, C, T, T, F, F, D, F, F, TT. So here the hummingbird are the only birds that can fly backwards. It is correct. Parrots are the longest living bird. Yes, it is also correct. An ostrich eye is not bigger than brain. It is false. Its eye is bigger than brain. Okay. A woodpecker can peck 50 times a second. No, it is also false. So correct answer is TTFF. Where it is present? It is present in option C. Coming to the next question. Vultures make their nest. Option A on tall trees. B on small trees. C in walls. D underground. So vultures, they make their nest on tall trees. So here the correct answer is option A, that is the tall trees. Coming to the next question. I am a big bird with a sharp hooked beak to tear meat. I have powerful claws. Who am I? Option A sparrow, B owl, C woodpecker, D crow. So I am a big bird with sharp hooked beak to tear meat, have powerful claws, and what will be the answer? It is owl. Okay, option B is the correct answer. So owl is the big bird with a sharp hooked beak to tear meat, and also it is having powerful claws. Got it? Coming to the next question. I am a bird. My name starts with a C. I am a smart bird having black feathers. Who am I? Option A cardinal, B cock, C crow, D crane. So we have to find the bird whose name starts with C. In fact, all the options are starting with C. Right. So I am a smart bird having black feathers. So what is it? Yes, it is crow. You know crow is having black feathers. Yes. Coming to the next question. Baby birds do not have dash. Option A beaks, B feathers, C eyes, D throats. So baby birds, they do not have what? Do you know the answer? If you know the answer, you can write in the comment section. So baby birds do not have feathers. Okay, as they are not having feathers, they are not able to fly. Right? Have you ever seen the small birds, their baby birds, they are flying? No, they are present in their nest only. Right? Yes. So here the correct answer is option B, that is feathers. Coming to the next question, a bird has option A hollow bones, B strong bones, C weak bones, D colored bones. So a bird has option A hollow bones. Okay, so these hollow bones, it makes the bird light. Okay, so light bones are there, it makes his body feel light, so it helps them to fly. Got it? Coming to the next question. This type of feathers keep the body warm. Option A body feathers, B flight feathers, C all of these, D down feathers. So the which type of feather keep the body warm? To keep the body warm, body feathers are used. Okay. So option A, that is body feathers, they help the body to keep warm. Coming to the next question. The baby birds grow inside the option A cells, B eggs, C pupa, D cupboard. So the baby birds, they grow inside the eggs. You know that? Yes, from the egg the baby bird comes out, right? Yes. Coming to the next question. Which of the following has broad flat beak? Option A pelican, B duck, C parrot, D sparrow. So which of the following has broad and flat beak? So broad and flat beak, it is the duck. Got it? So option B is the correct answer. Coming to the next question. Which of the following has strong curved beak? Option A parrot, B crane, C duck, D ostrich. So which of the following has strong curved beak? Strong curved beak. Can you tell? Yes, can you recall? It is the parrot. So here the correct answer is option A, that is the parrot. Coming to the next question, claws of flesh-eating birds are called option A talons, B palms, C toes, D all of these. So as per the question, claws of flesh-eating birds are known as, yes, it is the talon. So correct answer is option A, that is talons. Coming to the next question. In olden days, which bird was used to send letter from one place to another? Option A, crow. B, sparrow. C, pigeons. D, peacock. So, in olden days, which bird was used to send letter from one place to another? Do you know that? You must be knowing that, right? Yes, we were using the pigeons. They can fly to long distances, okay? And that's why they were used to send letter from one place to another. So here the correct answer is option C, that is the pigeons. Got it everyone? Yes? So this was for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then, breathe mindfully, okay? And meet you soon. Bye bye everyone.